Lee County, Fayette County, until 4:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday at 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across areas east of Interstate 35 from San Marcos to Elgin to Tanglewood. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour are being observed. Up to 10 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include San Marcos, Kyle, Lockhart, Bastrop, Luling, Giddings, LaGrange, Smithville, Lexington, Shelby, Martindale, Ulen, Mustang Ridge, Niederwald, Staples, Fayetteville, Round Top, Fedor, Muldoon, and Tanglewood. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 6 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.